Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'd like to share with you two beautiful home decor ideas that can be used this summer as well as any time of the year. One is a glammed up planter's box and the other is a cute embellished candle holder. This project turned out absolutely gorgeous and you can use these in any room in your home. I made it with some items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, my local thrift store, and Amazon. If you'd like to see how I made these, just keep watching. So very quickly, I'm just going to go over what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use a white foam board that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, a faux leather silver placemat that I picked up from my thrift store. I picked up 3 for $3. Also going to be using this diamond wrap. I picked this up from Amazon and I'm going to be cutting it down and using the circular part. I'm going to be using several napkin rings and I picked those up from my thrift store, my glue gun and glue sticks, and I'm going to get started. So first I'm going to use this 3-inch mirror just to trace out all the pieces I need to create my planter's box. Next, using my utility knife, I'm going to cut out all the pieces. So now that that's done, I'm going to use one of the squares to trace out all the pieces I need for covering for the planter's box. After that, I'm going to cut them out and I'm going to start creating the box. Using a little hot glue, I'm going to start to put together the planter's box. I'm going to make sure I use a little hot glue on all the seams inside and outside the box. So now I'm going to adhere the placemat material to the box. And I'm going to cut away any fabric that's hanging off of the edge of the box. Now with that silver embellishment, I'm going to use a little hot glue and adhere it to the top edge of the planter's box. After that, I'm going to use a double roll of that wrap and I'm going to apply it to all the corners of the box. Here I'm just showing you how I removed the ring from the embellishment. And I'm going to adhere 4 of those to each side of the box. Now with a single strip of that placemat fabric, and I'm going to adhere that to the center of the glass vase. After that, I'm going to use a single roll of the silver embellishment and I'm going to apply that to the top and the bottom edge of that placemat material. After that's done, I'm going to adhere a single embellishment in the center where the seam is. And guys, that's it. They're both done. I love the way these came out. They look absolutely beautiful. I had these in several rooms in my home. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.